A welding machine is a tool used by humans to join separate public material into one unit so that it can be formed and used according to its function. Welding machines are generally divided into two, namely carbide welding machine and electric welding machine. The working principle of this welding machine is by frying or heating a wire with heat energy produced from burned acetylene gas, carbide welding machine, and from electric welding machine. The acetylene gas and electric are converted into a welding flame which will burn and melt the welding wire so that the fire from the welding machine and the melt from the wire can connect two and more pieces of iron into a unit that can be used by humans for specific application. Although these two types of welding machine have different ignition sources, this is not different in their own strength, so it is highly recommended for welding both at home and in your workshop. Carbide welding machines are especially suitable for welding small and thin objects. As for electric welding, it is suitable for welding objects with a thickness of more than 2 mm. Advantages of electric welding machine and ordinary electric welding machine is suitable for welding objects that have a thickness of more than 2 mm. This electric welding machine is smaller in size and relatively light in weight so that it is easy to carry everywhere and can be operated anywhere more flexible. Because later you can consider the advantages and disadvantages of this carbide welding machine and electric welding machine as your consideration in choosing what welding machine is most suitable for your needs in the field. Shortcomings of electric welding machine because it uses electric power. An electric welding machine cannot be used in areas where there is no electricity if it does not have a generator. For certain types of electric welding machine, require special expertise to perform welding, namely short power cables make it necessary to perform welding in close proximity resources. Types of electric welding machine are divided into several types of MMI. MMI technique. This type of electric welding machine is classified as a Semoga type of welding machine, namely sheet metal arc welding, which means a welding machine used for welding iron. Various types of iron, of course, but with a certain thickness depending on the size of the welding wire and also the use of ampere from the welding machine. In conclusion, a welding machine has the advantages and disadvantages of adjusting user needs and has different functions. Determining the material is also very important. We can determine which welding machine we will use. We also have to know the advantages and disadvantages so that it is suitable for the field to be worked.